So I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching the Cartesian product of two countable set is countable. The Cartesian product of two countable set is countable. Cartesian product of two countable sets is countable. Let A and B be any two countable set. Okay. A be countable set, B be also countable set. Then A into B Cartesian product means we know that A comma B, A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Is the Cartesian product, we know that if any of two set is empty, then A into B equal to phi, there is nothing to prove. It is countable, nothing to prove. If one set is finite, suppose A1, A2, dot 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 Am it is finite, and with M element, if one set is finite with M element, then product B equal to B1, B2, B3, Bn dot 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 dot. But A is finite, A1, A2, A dot 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 Am. Then A into B equal to A1, B1, A2, A1, B2, A1, B3, A1, Bn dot dot dot. A2, B1, A2, B2, A2, B3, A2, Bn dot 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 dot. A3, B1, A3, B2, A3, B3, A3 dot dot Bn dot dot. Then A4. In this way, Am B1, Am B2, Am B2, Am B3 and Am Bn dot 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 dot. So that can be seen to be equivalent to n. If this is so equivalent to, that is 1, n2, n3, equivalent to n by listing the elements as A1, B1, A2, B1, this A2, B1 dot dot Am, B1. Okay, this state. And in this way, then A1, B2, A2, B2 dot dot Am, Bm. Okay. Then A1, B3, A2, B3 dot dot Am, Bm. So it is equivalent to n, and that's why it is countable. Number 3 condition, let A and B both countably infinite, AO infinite and BO infinite. Then A into B equivalent to n can be exhibited as, suppose A1, B1 multiply, suppose you think 1, 1, 2, then A1, B1 only one elements, and then you think A2, B1, that is 2 plus 1, 3, A1, B2, A2, B2. So in this way we get 3 turn. Okay, 2 turn, A2, B1, A1, B2. It means suffix, if we add suffix, then it will get 3. And if you adding suffix 4, then 3b1, 2b2, 1b3, so here we get 3 turn. In this way, here we get 4 turn. So the function A into B, the function A into Bn is defined, and f is 1, 1 into 1 and onto. Therefore, A into B is countably infinite. Okay. So here three cases. At first you think A and B, if two elements is empty, then it is no matter, A into B equal to 5. If A is finite, then A1, A1, A2 dot dot A, B, B1, B2 dot dot Bn and so on. Then in first row A1, B1, A1, B2, A1, Bn, second row A2, B1, A2, B2, A2, B3 dot dot dot, third row A3, B1, A4, third row A3, B1, A3, B2, A3, B4 in this way, last AM, B1, AM, B2 in this way. So if this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 in this way, it is equivalent to n by listing element. That's why it is countable. Okay. And if A and B are both infinite, and if you arrange such that the adding of suffixes, at first adding of suffix is 2, then you get one element A1, B1. Adding of suffix 3, then you get two element A1, B2, A2, B1. And adding of suffix 4, you get three element. In this way you get 1, 2, 3, and this function A to Bn is defined. F is 1 to 1 on 2, therefore A into B is countably infinite. Okay. Thank you so much.